everyone, welcome back to another video from the OdinSchool channel. Today we will walk you through the step-by-step process of installing MATLAB software on your laptop. Before the installation process, let us know what MATLAB is. MATLAB, short for Matrix Laboratory, is a powerful software tool widely used in various fields such as engineering, mathematics, data analysis and scientific research. It provides an interactive environment for numerical computation, data visualization, and algorithm development. With MATLAB, you can perform tasks like solving equations, creating plots, and implementing complex algorithms. Now that we have a basic understanding, let's dive into the step-by-step process of installing MATLAB on your laptop. Let's head over to the MathWorks login page. mathworks.com. Now, since I have already created an account, I do not need to log in again. But if you don't have an account in this mathworks.com, then you should create your account first and then go to this button called MATLAB. Alright, you will be redirected to this page. Here you will see this option. Can you see this option, install MATLAB? Go and click here. Now it's asking for, it will give you a few options like download for Windows, Linux, Mac operating system, whatever it is. I'm downloading for Windows. Once it gets downloaded, go to the download section. Okay. Alright, now that it's already installed, we will put our email ID, our credentials. Sign in. It will show you one document regarding the license. Click on the yes option and then go to next. Again, go to next. One default license will already be selected here. Then your destination. Alright, next. Okay, you can save, you can select your destination folder here, whichever place you want to save this. Mine is taking all by default, so I'll go next. Alright, here we come to this section where you can select any of the toolboxes. You will find many options. Whatever you find is suitable for your work, for your purpose, you can select all of them and then go to next. Select options, add shortcut to desktop. You can select or unselect this, it's up to you. Confirm selections and licensing, begin to install. It's getting installed, it will take some time. By the time this application is loading, here are some additional tips for you. Consider adding toolboxes based on your needs. Explore MATLAB's documentation and online resources and join the MATLAB community for support and discussions. Here we have the MATLAB interface. This huge space, empty space that you see here, you can enter your commands. This is the command window, and if you already have the data, you can import it from this import data option. You can clean your data, you can analyze your code, run them, or clear the commands. Also, you can click on this community section and join the communities of people using MATLAB. That's it. You have successfully installed MATLAB on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy coding.